Hi guys! I'm gonna show you what I did today because I was in a very bad mood this morning, early morning. So now, to ease my bad mood, this is what I did, shopping galore. Guys, see, all I shop is what I need. These are the new ingredients for my new soap that I'm gonna make, and also lotion and balm. So these are some ingredients, not all of it's not enough, this kind of ingredients. And because it says the lucky color for next year are gold, emerald green, and red. So what I did, all the green stuff, even for the display at home. So this is like espresso decaf. So I bought that. It's just because the green color, emerald green. So this is for I'm gonna use this on New Year's Eve, 31st night before I go to bed. So this is gonna be my sleeping clothes. And even the candy that I bought is emerald color green. And also I bought this because I'm gonna do some design. This is emerald color. And of course this is for my tea, chamomile. And this one is green also, soursop tea or guayaba, no? And I got my Imbudo stainless steel, and my coffee is copper. And I got green wallet. I got the color of combination of the bottle of this. This is made in Dubai. I smell and it's very nice, the smell. So this is the first time I bought this. And what's it's outside is more beautiful inside. It's gold and red. So it's a very good combination. It's like this one, chocolate, marzipan. So I'm gonna get this for display. And I got a red shoes also. I got a red socks, red gloves, and red toque, or the sombrero pang cover because it's cold weather. And I got a cardigan, red cardigan, and this is for minus or negative cold weather. So, and it says this Lucky Charm. So it's a green, gold, yellow, and red socks, and then emerald green. So Lucky Charm. So I got this. See the design inside. It's cute though. And of course I got this. Siguro sabihin niyo, pati ba naman yan, and this. And I got this one because I'm planning to make a lotion from my herbal, same as my herbal soap. So this is goma. Para siyang goma, guys. So, ito maganda siya. This is good because you can wash this after you finish using all the inside lotion. And then you can reuse this also, reusable. So, I got this from Winners. So, most of these shoes, and this one, I got this from Asian store. So, this is a king size. So this is the color. It's beautiful red design. There's a white. It's a floral color, and there's a green. So we have to wear red, gold, and green. And I got my new purse, emerald color. See guys, see, green color. So everything green, red, and this one is beautiful. So this is a comforter. This is the design for the comforter. So yeah, so I did shopping galore because I was in a bad mood, very bad mood this morning. So that's my problem, guys. When I get mad, either I'm gonna eat like a pig, or I'm gonna do too much shopping. So I spend all the money in my credit card. See guys, how many pay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 receipt because I bought this in different store. This one, the herbal herbs, I got this in one store, the wholesaler herbal store. That's my favorite store in New Westminster. So I always go there when I want to buy more, because in other store it's more expensive, but this store is a little bit cheaper. See? So enjoy the shopping for New Year Eves. See? That's how I did, guys. How I release my how I release my madness doing shopping madness. It's not that much, but still, I suppose not to do shopping because too much expenses we spend this month of December. So I wanna reduce the expenses, but because I get so mad today, so I wanna release my madness. So that's why I did shopping. See, it's beautiful though, the tomato design on my pajama. So that's a pajama, short and long sleeve. But the long sleeve is open because it's for sleeping. See guys, may string guys oh. Di ba guys? Madaling tanggalin pag oras na ng hating gabi. O, di ba? Alam niyo na yan ang ibig kong sabihin. O, sa mga green ang utak dyan. O, ayan o. Green din ito. O, ayan o. So, ang combination kasi dapat ng susuotin sa New Year ay red, gold, and green. So, wala akong makuhang combination na may gold din. So, kaya ito, mas maganda green and red. So, money, money, money. Coming money, money. Diba? Pangtawag daw sa money yun. Kaya bumili din ako ng green na purse at green na wallet. Hindi ko siya masyadong type kasi close siya oh. Pag nasira ang zipper, sira na. So, bibili na naman ng bago. May dati akong wallet green din. Ay, hindi orange pala. So, ayan. Isang malaking bag oh. Sa Winners ako nag-shopping guys oh. Malaking bag. Pati yung kinuha kong bag, colorful, pang New Year na rin. Kasi kailangan daw, wag tayo magsusuot ng black color, purple, gray, lahat ng mga dark color. Huwag daw, kasi next year is my year. It's my year next year. Year of the fire horse. I'm a year of the horse. That's why it's my year. I'm gonna be so lucky, very lucky next year. So, advance, happy New Year, guys! Marami pa akong shinaping eh. Yung sa Bath and Body Works the other day. Nung na-pepper spray kami sa mall, guys. So, ito naman siya, yung Bath and Body Works. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. Sa Bath and Body Works, guys, ayan oh. Ayan siya oh. Ang dami niyan oh. Diba? So, Bath and Body Works, guys, is very expensive. Let's see. Ayan, oh, dami niyan, oh. Isa ding mahabang resibo yan. So, ang total price nito talaga, guys, ay more than $200. $225. It was $225. But because it's discounted, it's 75% off sa Bath and Body Works, guys. So, ito yung mga kinuha ko. Ayan. Kumuha ako ng magnesium lotion kasi kailangan ko yan dahil may problema ako sa pagtulog. I couldn't sleep properly. So, I got a magnesium lotion. Gagamitin ko yan. I'm gonna use it before going to bed. And I got the air freshener because the air freshener in Bath and Body Works is really good, guys. It's safe to use. And I got a hydraulic lotion. I used already the other one. 3 hydraulic also. And of course, I got the body cream. Kasi hindi pa naman ako makakapaggawa ng guys, ng lotion right away. So, super dami ng ingredients. So, many ingredients I need to use. This is for men. For my hubby, this one, yung bubbles. But bubbles kasi yan. Ito, body cream. So, yan. Na-spend ko lang dyan ay $100. Discounted siya ng 75%. So, di ba guys? Plus ito, so, total is more or less $700. Lahat-lahat na. Yan. So, si Inday, pag bad mood, nakakapag-shopping. So, hindi kasi ako guys talaga nagagalit ng todo-todo. Once in a life, very rare, it's very rare I get mad kasi iniiwasan ko magalit. Kasi masama kasi ang nangyayari kapag nagagalit ako, guys. Yung taong nakagalitan ko, ibang mangyayari sa kanya. Nararamdaman ko yun eh. Kaya nga ngayon eh, iba yung pakiramdam ko ngayon. So, ibig sabihin, tumatalab na yung mga sinabi ko. So, ganun ako guys pag nagagalit. Kaya ayoko talagang magalit. Pag may nakakaaway ako, sa totoo lang, ako ang umiiwas. Ayoko makipag-away talaga. Hindi ako nakikipag-away. Kasi nga, kasalanan yun. Yung magalit ako. Kasi nakakapagsalita ako ng hindi maganda at lahat ng sinasabi ko, nangyayari. So, yun ang iniiwasan ko. Kaso, sa katagalan ng panahon na hindi ako nagagalit, ayun, biglang kumulo yung dugo ko. So, kaya ito tuloy nangyari sa akin. Kawawa yung bulsa ko nito. Credit card. Yun lang ang kagandahan dito guys. Sa Amerika, sa Canada, or dito sa abroad. Pag may credit card ka at may laman pa, pwede mo siyang i-max out. Pwede mo siyang gamitin. Yun nga lang, pagdating ng bill, syempre, mamumroblema ka. Saan ka kukuha ng pambayad? Lalo na kung wala kang trabaho. That's why I need to go back to work. Kasi, sa work ko kasi, every month may sweldo. So, ngayon, wala akong work. So, from April, wala na akong work. So, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 9 months na akong walang work, guys. So, mag-start pa lang uli ako ng work by January. February pa ako ng susweldo. So, yun lang, guys. Sinishare ko lang sa inyo yung, alam niyo na, reality of life. Sige, siyempre sasabihin niyo, wow, nag-spend si madam ng 700 sa shopping, $700, di ba? Laking pera nun sa Pilipinas. Utang po yung lahat dito. At hindi ko yun babayaran ng bigla. Pakunti-kunti ang bayad ko nun. So, binabayaran ko lang po sa credit card ay interest. So, ang interest ng credit card ko kasi 3,500 po ang halaga ng utang ko sa credit card. Yun ang limit niya, 3,500. So, ang interest nun, ang binabayaran ko every month, 300 or 350 sa interest. So, di ba, malaking bagay yun. So, ganun talaga. Pag nangutang ka, kailangan mo magbayad. Unless, yung mga makakapal ang mukha dyan sa Pilipinas, bato-bato sa langit, ang tamaan, wag pong magagalit, nagsasabi lang ako ng katotohanan. Maraming nangungutang dyan sa Pilipinas, super kakapal ng mukha na hindi marunong magbayad. Na-experience ko po yan, nasasabi ko yan, kasi based on my own experience. Ginawa nila akong co-maker, naging guarantor, at ako ang nagbayad ng mga inutangan. Ginawa pa akong kumari, tapos tinakasan yung utang. Siyempre, ako yung guarantor, ako yung siningil dyan sa Pilipinas. So, ganun yun. Malaki ang karma. Kinakarma na sila, for sure ngayon. At noon pa man, yung nangutang na ako ang ginarantor, at ako pa yung minura-mura, nung sinisingil ko na. Kasi binayaran ko na ng buo yung utang niya, ng ilang libo yun. Tapos, after 2 years, sinisingil ko. Sanabihan akong, ang sama daw ng ugali ko, hindi ako makapag-antay. Diyos ko naman, 2 years na yun, guys. Na walang bayad-bayad. Masama pa bang ugali ko noon, nung sinisingil ko? Kaya kayo dyan, kung kayo may, kahit nga kamag-anak minsan, pag ang kamag-anak ng utang, wala na talagang bayaran. Kaya wag na kayo magpautang kung ayaw nyong sumama ang loob nyo at kung ayaw nyo maging masama. Kasi tayong mga nagpautang, pag naningil, tayo pa yung nagiging makasalanan. Dahil, syempre, magagalit ka kapag minura ka ng inutangan mo. Yung mga nangutang sa'yo, sisingilin mo. Mumurahin ka na. Experience ko yan. Yung mga nangutang, minura pa ako. So, yun. Kaya ngayon, hindi na ako nagpapautang. Hindi ako na magpautang. Kung kailangan lang talaga, binibigay ko na lang. Ang dami nang nangutang sa akin eh. Minsan kamag-anak mo pa mangutang sa'yo. Hindi ka naman babayaran. Pag singilin mo, sabihin ikaw ang meron tapos naniningil ka pa. Natural, utang yun. Utang yun, kailangan bayaran mo. Kasi pinaghirapan din yun ng tao. Kung ano yung binigay sa'yo, di mo nga alam na yung pala last money na nung tao, naawa lang sa'yo dahil nagdrama ka. Pinautang ka, ang galing mo magdrama pag mangungutang. Tapos pag sisingilin ka na, ay, devil na ang pag-uugali mo. It's my experience, guys, in the Philippines. Look at that, guys, oh. Ang ganda ng effect ng aking sabon, ang aking herbal bar soap. Oh, ayan, oh. Diba? Order na kayo, guys. Oh, ayan. Diba? Wala akong makeup, guys, ha? Wala din akong inilagay dyan. Hinugasan ko lang yung mukha ko kaninang umaga na naligo ako. Ayan ang aking mga sabon. O, ayan, o. Ito yung iba nito may hibiscus, kaya kakaiba yung mga kulay niya. Pero yung hibiscus, very healthy daw sa skin. Kaya sa susunod, nagagawa uli ako. I'm still gonna make a hibiscus with hibiscus. Papaya dandelion hibiscus. Ang ganda, oh. Ang bango. Alam nyo guys, inaamoy-amoy ko talaga to. Nakahang lang siya dito. Ayan, nakahang lang siya dyan. Ayan, oh. Ito, tanda ko naman yan yung mga ginawa ko. Ito yung dandelion, papaya na walang cloves. Ito, may cloves yan. Yan, yung mga dark color, may cloves, saka may papaya seeds. Ito, walang papaya seeds, papaya fruit lang. Ayan, papaya seeds, papaya fruit, may cloves. Tapos, ayun doon, may, ano yan, yung honey soap base yan, honey. Tapos, yung sa ilalim nito, dandelion yan, pure dandelion na walang cloves. Kaunahan kong ginawa. Nagtira talaga ako guys ng kaunahan kong ginawa. Ang gustong gusto ko dito guys ay ito. Yan yung papaya honey with dandelion. Ang ganda nito eh. Madulas pati itong gamitin kasi marami itong maraming essential oil saka yung oil regular na infuse. Yan. Ito maganda rin, Lahat naman to guys maganda. Lahat to herbal soap. Kaya lang merong nag-order sa akin na wala daw clove dapat. So, hindi niya pa sinasabi kung kailan ko isi-ship. So, ayan. At marami akong hulmahan na bago. Ayan, So, meron akong deer. Yung usa na mga hulmahan. At meron akong pang Mother's Day na hulmahan. Yung I love mom. Meron yan, andito. Kadarating lang ng mga hulmahang kumpago. Saan ba yun? Ito guys, ang ganda nito. So, hindi pa nakakagawa ng sabon nito. So, hindi ko alam kung ano to eh. Mahirap kasing makita pag hindi ka pa nakapagawa ng sabon. Tapos marami akong eagle design. Mahilig kasi ako sa animals design guys. So, ito yon I love mom. Yan baby tsaka mother. So, pang Mother's Day ito. Yun lang guys, naipakita sa inyo kapag yan ang nangyayari sa akin kapag masama ang loob ko guys, Ako, dalawa lang ang pinagpipilian ko guys pag masama ang loob ko. Pag alam kong may naman yung credit card ko, yan, shopping na lang ako kaysa kumain. Kasi once na, kasi either magpupud trip ako sa sama ng loob, or magsa-shopping. So, nandun na kasi ako sa shopping mall eh. Nasa tapat na ako ng shopping mall grabe yung galit ko talaga. Kasi, syempre, kausap ko sa phone. Ayun. Ini-report ba? Ang nangyari kasi guys, ganito. Bakit ako nagalit ng husto? Ngayon, ipakita ko sa inyo yung dahilan. Real to kasi tayo eh. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung dahilan. Ito yung naging dahilan guys. Ito, nasa labas ito, nandun to sa labas ng patio. Ayun di ba sarado siya? Yung sa likod niyan, patio yan. Beranda ba? Beranda sa Pilipinas. Oo. Nandiyan siya, yung dyan sa labas dyan. Hindi makita kasi madilim eh. Tingnan natin. Ayan nandiyan siya guys. Nakapatong siya dyan. So, dyan ko siya kinuha. Kinuha ko yung pot, saka yung saucer niya, yung patungan ng halaman. So, may laman tong tubig ulan. So, it was rain water, guys, when it was outside. Ito, tuyot na talaga yan. Ngayon, dahil nga yung binili kong, I have garlic that it's already growing. There's having the sprout of garlic. So, I was thinking, I'm gonna get the pot because this pot, the plants on it, it was dead already because it's winter. So, it didn't survive on the winter. The plants, small plants on it. And then, when I tried to pull this, and this one, like, bouncing also, when I get this, so, nakadikit kasi siya, dumikit. Dahil sa katagalan na nga, months na siya or maybe a year already outside. So, nakadikit siya. Nung kinuha ko to, because there's water on it, it fell. So, when it fell, the water is filled. So, when it is fell, the water natapon, it goes to the downstairs. So that's the story, guys. It goes to the downstairs. And what happened when the water goes downstairs, the person downstairs that she is a Caucasian. I'm not sure if she is a real Canadian or not, because I know real Canadian, they are very nice to neighbors. So for sure she is not Canadian. Maybe she is Canadian citizen, but she is a Caucasian, because I had a building manager before that I always having fight. Caucasian also from Europe. So not all of Caucasian are like that. Only these two persons that I encounter in my life here in Canada. So, you know what she said? She screamed at me. And she said, "You're supposed not to do that!" It's like all neighbors hear it. And you know what I said? "Oh, I'm so sorry. It's accidentally spilled the rainwater from the pots, from the saucer." That's it. She didn't say anything again. But she screamed. I don't know. I think I heard her murmuring on the lower level of the building. She is outside. She is not inside of the patio or apartment. Of course, even when it's raining in the patio, when the rains come, it's gonna goes down. So I don't know why she become like that. Maybe she's kind of, old maid. That's why she's the attitude is like that, because my building manager before in New Westminster, she's kind of old maid and she's like that. So maybe this lady is old maid also. So I don't care if she is old maid. Alam niyo na, yung mga tuyot na babae na naghahanap na walang magkagusto, ganun yun, guys. Oh, bato-bato sa langit yung tamaan, huwag magagalit. So, yun ang story, guys. Dahil sa paso na kinuha ko sa labas ng bahay na hindi ko naman sinadya na matapon yung tubig. Tumapon yung tubig. So, yun ang story, guys. Kaya, grabe yung, ito na. Siyempre, si hubby ko, pumunta na ng States. Iniwanan na ako dito. Nagdadrive pa siya pa uwi ng bahay niya. Kasi ang drive kasi, long drive kasi, from dito sa Surrey, BC, Canada, papuntang Washougal, Washington. Boundary na siya ng Portland, Oregon, and Washington. 6 hours driving. So, ang aga niya umalis dito sa bahay, 6 a.m. So, hindi pa siya nakakarating guys sa bahay. Ang aga niyang gumising. Pati ako, kulang ako sa tulog. Kasi pagbangon niya, siyempre, magigising ako. Siyempre, mag-goodbye kiss naman. Siyempre naman, no? May goodbye kiss pa yun. Tsaka may hug-hug. Wala na nga lang na exercise. Alam niyo na yun kung ano ibig ko sabihin ng exercise. Kasi, pag nagkakaedad na ang tao, medyo humihina na yung exercise, diba? So, in short term, tinawagan niya ako kasi alam niyo kung ano nangyari. Aba, itong walang yang to, na Caucasian, inireport ako sa building manager at ang report daw, sabi nitong asawa ko, my hubby said, she reported me that I spill here a lot of food waste, food scrap, and oil. I was shocked. How can I spill food waste and scrap? My husband know that our food scrap is always goes here. Guys, I'm gonna show you where our food scrap goes. I never throw any food scrap because you know why? You watch already my how to make organic fertilizer. And this is my food scrap, guys. I'm showing you guys, see? You see my food scrap here. I always put in the oven because I dried it, and then after it's properly dry, I put in a blender, and after I put in the blender, you know already, you watch my video how to make organic fertilizer, all powder from food scrap. So that's why I'm very surprised, guys, when she complained to the building management that I throw her a food waste and oil and everything else. I was shocked. And, alam nyo, even you try to control yourself. when you didn't do anything like that, of course you're gonna feel bad. And my hubby, he got so mad also because he didn't know. I didn't tell him what happened. Because for me, when here in Canada, when we ask sorry, it's fine, it's good. Mostly Canadian are nice. They forgive you when you ask sorry. That's what I did to everybody when they spill me something, because I used to live in a apartment. When the upper floor cleaning their patio, of course it's gonna goes down. Of course I got that also many times, but I never complained, guys. And even the upper floor, they never ask sorry from me. I always forgive them because that's the way it is. You're living with other people. So, what you can do, that's a natural, right? Reality. But this lady, she make it a big pass. And she reported me. So, that's why I got mad. And then I said, very bad. So, I don't care. So, ayaw niyang tanggapin ang sorry ko. So, bahala siya, tanggapin niya ang karma na nanggaling sa salita ko. Tingnan niyo naman yung effect sa akin, no? Ayan. So, dapat gagastusin ko yun ng 2 months eh. Nangyari ito bago mag-New Year. So, ayan. Diba guys, kita nyo yung effect ng aking bar soap, herbal soap that I make. I always use it. Only once a day. I use it. Oh, ayan oh. Di pa ako nakapagilamos ulit. Mamaya, magilamos ako bago ako matulog. Naligo ako kanina. I take a shower or bath. Then, I use my bar soap all over my body kasi meron na siyang exfoliating effect because of the papaya seeds, cloves, and some different powder ingredients. So, I'm planning to make a lotion. But you know guys, mamumulubi ako sa sa ingredients ng lotion. Ang dami kasi kailangan balance lahat. Hindi kagaya ng sabon, easy for me. Kasi nakailang beses na ako gumawa. Pero yung lotion, parang sa tingin ko, parang ang hirap. Ang daming timpla guys ng lotion. So, ang gagawin ko siguro muna ay salve. Yung balm. Para sa may makakating skin, yung parang may eczema. So, para makatulong. Hindi naman totally gamot kasi ang eczema nga, hindi yan gumagaling. Pabalik-balik ang eczema. Pero, gusto ko rin makagawa ng salve na pwede siya sa mga makakati, sa may mga sugat. So, yun. Kaya, bumibili ako ng mga ingredients. Kaso, syempre, pricey naman, oh, di ba? Lalo na hindi ko pa nababawi yung kapital ng aking ginagawang sabon. So, ganun talaga. Ako kasi parang libangan ko lang guys. Natutuwa lang ako. So, parang lang siya sa akin. Yung parang laro-laro lang. Pero, inaaral ko yan. Libangan ba? Libangan sa Tagalog. Ano nga ba guys sa English ang libangan? So, baka yun na bahala mag-English ng libangan. Sorry to the other people that they don't understand libangan. It's like for fun. I make bar soap for fun, but it's very helpful for the skin. So, my itchiness on my skin is gone away already. No more. Oh, see guys, oh, ayan. Oh, wala na yung mga makakati, yung namumula-mula. Yan, like when you, see? It helps my bar soap for my itchy skin. And look at my face, oh, diba? Ayan. Guys, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! And again, congratulations to all winner, Joylyn Mindanyo, for the Christmas raffle winning. John Heck or Coritana, John Coritana. And also, Joan Luminaris Beren, congratulations for winning. Also, Elma Abion Ortiz, congratulations. So, hindi ko pa nalalagay yung inyong mga picture dito. So, siguro isi-separate ko ng video yon. But congratulations. And please continue to support my YouTube channel. Please always watch and share in your Facebook page, and I really appreciate it. So happy New Year to everyone. Happy New Year to everybody. God bless us all, and thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for the blessings for today and for the coming day, and for the healthiness, and for providing everything in our life. Thank you, Jesus, for everything, and thank you for the support, guys. Thank you for being always with me. Thank you. I love you guys. I love you all. So happy New Year, everyone. So sana po maging masaya po tayo sa New Year na darating. Meron man tayong handa o wala, magpasalamat po tayo ng marami kay Lord Jesus Christ. Kasi buhay tayo, malakas tayo, at humihinga pa. Yung palang pong pagising natin sa umaga ay pinakamalaking blessing na yan ni Lord. At yung magkaroon tayo ng malakas na pangangatawan, another blessing yan ni Lord. Kung magkaroon tayo ng pera, another blessing yan ni Lord. So, lahat mong nangyayari sa buhay natin, dapat nating ipagpasalamat kay God dahil sa Kanya po yan lahat nanggagaling. Yes, tayo ang nagtatrabaho, pero nasa kasabihan nga, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. So, bahala na kayo mag-English. You translate it to English. Thank you guys. Bye-bye for watching. Thank you so much. Subscribes. Watch my YouTube videos. Likes. Hypes. Please hypes my YouTube videos, guys. You can hype 3 times on my different videos for 1 week. Then the following week, you can do hypes again. So, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Happy New Year. I wish you all a prosperous and abundant New Year. Happy New Year, guys. Thank you.